how I use AI to read academic articles with ADHD and create an interactive research journal. As someone with ADHD, I'm about to show you how to use AI for deep scholarly dialogue instead of surface summaries. By the end of this video, you'll have a method that works if you have ADHD like me, or just need more guidance on how to read deeply and manage your readings while maintaining high quality academic work so you can save this video. Hey, if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm sharing how I use AI as a researcher, storyteller, educator, professor, small business owner, and a human in my personal and professional lives through my 30 Days of AI and I series. Follow me if you want to learn more. I wanted to create this because I want to have non-pretentious ways of explaining how to use AI for people who might be a little intimidated by it. Okay, so let's now get into our topic, which is how do you read this and then create an interactive research journal using AI to dialogue that actually deepens your scholarly engagement instead of bypassing the critical process of learning and reading. Reading long academic text overwhelms my ADHD brain, but I found a way to work with it instead of against it. So what I do is this: I read a couple of paragraphs, then immediately start dialoguing with AI about my actual thoughts and reactions. This keeps me engaged and creates real intellectual conversation. I continue this paragraph by paragraph through the entire article. This breaks down my reading. Each exchange deepens my analysis, challenges my assumptions, helps me spot gaps in arguments. By the end, I have had a rigorously scholarly conversation, not with AI's thoughts only, but facilitating my own deeper thinking. For example, today I read an article which made me feel all the feels. I uploaded the article and told AI to be my intellectual sparring partner and stress test my takes. Then I would put forward a perspective and then AI would stress test it and add its own perspective. So the article I was reading today was focused on how AI helped with proofreading and copy editing someone's dissertation, and it reduced the advisor's time commitment in proofreading and copy editing. So immediately I had some thoughts. I wanted to explore more thoughtfully, why is the advisor copy editing? That is not what I do as a dissertation chair. Is this something other advisors do that I don't know? Maybe their institution expects them to do this. Is this their job? And if proofreading and grammar and syntax correction is what ChatGPT is doing, then why not Grammarly? It would be so much cheaper and also more robust without the ChatGPT hallucination and error. So I was confused. I had questions and I wanted ChatGPT to intellectually spar with me. So after going through the whole article this way, I asked AI to summarize our discussion, the key points I used, the direct quotes that sparked my questions, the methodological concerns I identified, the gaps I spotted, and I get this formatted as a PDF with section titles, and it goes straight into my bibliographic management tool for that reading, like an EndNote, RefWorks, Mendeley, whatever you use. So for students and academics, if and when you have to write response papers or chapters for your dissertations or manuscripts for publications, you'd be able to pull from this reading an in-depth and nuanced understanding, not a drive-through citation. You can also take all of these summary documents and ask ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI to find patterns in your thinking. And that can help you develop deep arguments for your work, now supported by scholarly sources as your citations, from where you can draw direct quotes for days. You would have those direct quotes because you use those direct quotes to dialogue with AI. So to recap this method: read paragraphs, dialogue with AI, ChatGPT, Claude, whatever, about your actual thoughts. Use AI as intellectual sparring partner to stress test your takes. Continue paragraph by paragraph through the whole article. Ask AI to summarize your discussion with key points, quotes, gaps you identified. Export as PDF for your bibliographic management tool, and then use these deep engagement for records for response papers, dissertations, manuscripts, book chapters, whatever you're writing. Find patterns across your summary documents to develop stronger arguments. This method works for those who are neurodiverse and even those who are not. This is just a thorough reflection effective AI-assisted reading and thought management strategy, not bypassing your critical thinking or reading. I'm creating tools, tips, and strategies for AI-assisted work. There's a link in my bio and in the first comment for copy pasting. Thank you so much for listening.